Boost your gut health with these 11 delicious and nutritious drinks. The digestive system is a complex and essential part of the human body. It is responsible for breaking down food into essential nutrients and eliminating waste products. Good gut health is critical for overall health and well-being, as it plays a vital role in the body's metabolism, immune system, and mental health. One of the most effective ways to support gut health is by consuming gut-healthy drinks that are rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. These drinks can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. With so many options available, it can be easy to find a gut-healthy drink that suits your taste preferences and health goals. In this video, we will explore some of the best gut-healthy drinks that can help improve digestion, enhance immune function, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve overall health and well-being. Here are 11 gut-healthy drinks that you can incorporate into your diet. 1. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is packed with probiotics. It's made by fermenting sweetened tea with a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Kombucha has been shown to improve gut health, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. Recipe: to make kombucha, you'll need a SCOBY, tea, sugar, and water. Brew the tea, add sugar, and let it cool. Then add the SCOBY and let the mixture ferment for 7 to 10 days. Once it's ready, you can add flavorings like ginger, fruit, or herbs. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a soothing beverage that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It contains compounds like gingerols and shogales that have anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: to make ginger tea, slice fresh ginger and add it to boiling water. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and enjoy. 3. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense drink that contains collagen, amino acids, and other nutrients that support gut health. It's made by simmering bones and vegetables for several hours. Recipe: to make bone broth, simmer bones, like chicken or beef bones, with vegetables and herbs for 12 to 24 hours. Strain and enjoy. 4. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains probiotics and other nutrients that support gut health. It has a tangy taste and can be enjoyed on its own or used in smoothies and other recipes. Recipe: to make kefir, you'll need kefir grains and milk. Combine the grains and milk and let the mixture ferment for 24 to 48 hours. Strain and enjoy. 5. Coconut water. Coconut water is a hydrating drink that contains electrolytes and other nutrients that support gut health. It's also a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Recipe: you can enjoy coconut water on its own, or add it to smoothies and other recipes. 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a soothing beverage that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It contains compounds like aloin and aloemidin that have anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: you can buy aloe vera juice at health food stores or make your own by blending aloe vera gel with water. 7. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve gut health. It contains compounds like catechins and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, that have anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: to make green tea, steep green tea leaves in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and enjoy. 8. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a warming beverage that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It contains curcumin, a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: to make turmeric tea, simmer fresh turmeric root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey and lemon juice to taste. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a tangy beverage that can help improve gut health. It contains acetic acid, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Recipe: mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and honey to taste. Enjoy as a morning tonic or add it to dressings and marinades. 10. Matcha latte. Matcha latte is a delicious and healthy beverage that can help reduce inflammation and improve gut health. Matcha is a powdered green tea that contains antioxidants and other nutrients that support overall health. Recipe: whisk matcha powder with hot water until it's frothy. Add steamed milk and sweetener of your choice. Enjoy hot or cold. 11. Golden milk. Golden milk is a warming and soothing beverage that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. It's made with turmeric, ginger, and other spices that have anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: combine turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, and honey in a saucepan. Add milk and heat until it's steaming. Strain and enjoy. Benefits of gut-healthy drinks. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can provide a range of health benefits, including improved digestion and nutrient absorption. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can improve digestion and nutrient absorption by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Probiotics and other nutrients found in these drinks can help balance gut bacteria, reduce inflammation, and support healthy bowel movements. As a result, the body is better able to absorb nutrients from food and eliminate waste, leading to improved digestion and overall health. Additionally, some gut-healthy drinks like bone broth contain collagen, which can help repair and maintain the gut lining, further improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Reduced inflammation and oxidative stress. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Many of these drinks contain antioxidants, such as green tea and turmeric, which can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Fermented drinks like kombucha and kefir can also help reduce inflammation by improving the balance of gut bacteria and promoting a healthy immune system. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, gut-healthy drinks can help prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Enhanced immune function. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can also enhance immune function by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, as it helps the body recognize and fight off harmful pathogens. Fermented drinks like kefir and kombucha contain probiotics that can help balance gut bacteria and support immune function. Additionally, green tea and ginger contain antioxidants that can help boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. By enhancing immune function, gut-healthy drinks can help prevent illness and improve overall health. Reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for maintaining overall health, as it helps regulate metabolism, blood sugar levels, and cholesterol levels. Probiotics found in gut-healthy drinks can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, which can help prevent and manage diabetes. Additionally, antioxidants found in green tea, turmeric, and other gut-healthy drinks can help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and protecting the cardiovascular system from damage. By reducing the risk of chronic diseases, gut-healthy drinks can help promote longevity and overall well-being. Increased energy and mental clarity. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can also increase energy and mental clarity by improving gut health and reducing inflammation. By improving digestion and nutrient absorption, the body can better convert food into energy, leading to improved vitality and alertness. Additionally, many of these drinks contain caffeine, which can help improve focus and mental clarity. For example, matcha and green tea contain a unique type of caffeine that provides a sustained release of energy without the crash that can come from drinking coffee. By promoting good gut health and reducing inflammation, gut-healthy drinks can help improve overall physical and mental performance. Improved mood and overall well-being. Drinking gut-healthy beverages can also help improve mood and overall well-being. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain that plays a critical role in mood and emotional well-being. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, gut-healthy drinks can help improve mental health and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. For example, fermented drinks like kefir and kombucha contain probiotics that can help reduce inflammation and promote the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which is known to improve mood. Additionally, drinking nutrient-rich beverages like bone broth can help support the body's stress response and promote overall resilience. By improving mood and overall well-being, gut-healthy drinks can help promote a better quality of life. Incorporating these gut-healthy drinks into your diet can be an easy and delicious way to support good gut health and overall well-being. So go ahead and try out these recipes and enjoy their health benefits. Conclusion. In conclusion, gut-healthy drinks offer a range of health benefits that can support overall health and well-being. By improving gut health, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, these drinks can help prevent chronic diseases, enhance immune function, increase energy and mental clarity, and improve mood and overall well-being. Incorporating gut-healthy drinks like green tea, kefir, and bone broth into your diet can be an easy and delicious way to support good gut health and overall health. So go ahead and try out some of these recipes and enjoy their health benefits.